So to add your single page on your for your site and add it on the menu, you can follow the steps below. In your admin panel, you will find a menu named Custom Pages. So this is a page builder. So if in the create page or add page, you can create new page. So uh, we will add a new page now. Suppose this new page will for and this content will we are adding for language English, and this is page name. Let's say the test page, then breadcrumb title, new page, then breadcrumb subtitle, new page, then this is we want this page is active, and serial number, let's say it's serial number 3. You can add any number, and this is meta, and this is metadata. So you can add them by your own as well. So then create page. Then we'll see the pages in the page is created successfully. Test page. So we can add content over here for this page. Before it, we can see this page will ready for this page is already ready for adding in the menu section. So in the menu section, if we see there is no page like this, so we will add it to this area. So in the menu section, we will go to the menu section. This is main menu, and here we can see the newly created page, the test page as well. So this page is ready for the menu, and we can add it by clicking add to menu. Then this page is added to the main menu section, and we update the main menu. So main menu is updated. So we will see this on this main menu area. So this is main menu, and this is the test phase as well. So this is the test phase. Okay. This is the URL, and this is the test phase content as well. So we can update the content of this page as well. So this is test phase, and this is the content area. So you can add content by from this section as well. So this is how the page you create and add it to the main menu as well. Hope you understand this concept.